Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Canva editable source files. To begin, understanding how to share your designs for editing is fundamental for effective collaboration. This process ensures that anyone you share with can make necessary adjustments, whether it's a team member or a client. It saves time and prevents the need for constant back and forth, making your design workflow much smoother and more efficient for everyone involved. Now, let's dive into the practical steps for sharing. Once your design is open, look for the prominent Share button, typically found in the upper right-hand corner of your screen. Clicking this will open a menu with various sharing options. Select the option that says, "Anyone with the link can edit." This action generates a unique link that you can then copy and send to anyone who needs to modify your design. For situations where you want multiple people to use your design as a starting point without altering your original, a template link is ideal. Instead of "Anyone with the link can edit," choose the template link option. This generates a special link that, when opened, prompts the user to use template. Each person then gets their own editable copy, ensuring your master design remains untouched and ready for future distribution. To maximize efficiency when sharing editable Canva files, consider these best practices. First, keep your designs well organized in folders, perhaps by project or client, for quick retrieval. Second, use clear and descriptive file names. This helps everyone understand the content at a glance. Finally, always communicate the editing permissions you've granted to your collaborators, ensuring everyone is on the same page regarding who can edit and who can only view.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.